Well, hello there, traders. This is Art Dill with FuturesTradingCompany.net. A very pleased Art Dill today after having a very tough week last week and finishing the week just basically break even dollar wise. 11 and 11 last week was the total record. This was a much different day. We went 11 and 1 today here on the Dow for a net plus 168 points. So we just had an absolutely fabulous day. And I'm going to put my trade sheet up to show you the trades I actually took. And here are the trades that we took today, July 23rd, 2012. It took a couple pre-market. One was a big winner. I'll show you that trade. It was an absolutely beautiful setup, and that's why I took it with 3 contracts. I traded 3 contracts on several occasions today. Lightened up later and just started trading 2, but overall had a very good day. This was the pre-market trade we took. I had just gotten into the room and opened it up, and here we'd had a nice retrace right to the 89 EMA. Price rolled over, and we got a trigger short right here. Does not get any better than that, and as you can see, price just broke down sharply to the downside there. I took 3 targets, 10 points, 15 points, and I took a final target of 30 points. I could have gotten more had I used a 15-point trailing stop, but I took the 30 points. So we got 55 points on that pre-market trade, and I'll take that every day of the week. This was the next, actually 3 trades that we took. One at short at 562, and actually only ended up plus 6 points on that trade. Then I took a short at here at 565. Ended up plus 7 points. And then this one, 546. And I actually ended up only plus 5 points net on that. Plus 7 and minus 2. And then the next one here at 640, that was a really good one. And this one we did take with 3 contracts. This was a trigger trade after we had come up, tagged the 89 EMA again. Trigger fired. We got the short at 12,547. And took one off at 537, one off at 532, and then the other one was off at 536, which was actually I think that was about a 15-point trailing stop there. So 10, 15, and 16 points, 25, 35. So another 41-point winner on that trade. At 640. I did switch around and start trading long, and started taking some trades to the long side. 829. Let me just show you. A lot of nice trades today. This was actually the first long trade we took. Was a long at 12,623, and that was actually a breakout trade, and ended up only getting 7 points total on that. Then we had the trigger entry here, short. I took that, 2 contracts. Ended up taking 10 and then 4 points, so 14 points. And then right away again, trigger entry long here at 614. Went along with 2 and ended up getting 11 points total on that with the 2 contracts. So it was quite a day. Let me show you a chart that I look at that I want to show you, and why we ended up starting to take longs. This is the 5-minute chart. It's a chart I pay attention to a lot. And let me just show you what happened. Here was the happening to pre-market and the short I took at 453. Was right in here. After basically we'd put in a like triple top there, right here, and nice negative candle, and we went short. And we had that great setup on the entry chart with the trigger. So that was a great short, and but look what happened. Look at this market as it was selling off during the pre-market into the start of the day. Made the low down here at 12,521. This was right at around 7 o'clock. But now look what happens to the market. And this is why I love to watch the 5-minute chart. Once this bar broke this bar, we broke up above that. That's telling me that you could trade in both directions. And basically that's what happened the rest of the day. So 5-minute chart gives you a lot of information that you sometimes miss by just watching your entry chart. So that's why I like to watch the 5-minute chart. Gives me an idea of market direction. And here basically you're in a channel sideways, but now we had another spurt up, and I made another entry. It was a tape read as it was going up here. We got long. Let me see which entry that was. $12.26. Yeah, right here. I got long. I tried to get long sooner, but I kept missing getting in. I finally got filled at 575, and took one off at 585, and then I took the other one off a little bit as it started to fall. I took it off at the market, and I got 583. So 585, 583 on that entry, and that was really that was a tape read entry on that trade. I'm going to end this video, guys. It drug on a lot longer than I wanted it to. If you guys would like a free 1-week trial to the room, sign on to their website or send me an email, info@eminisuccesscoach.com, and you can watch us trade this in real time. Have a great night, everyone. For FuturesTradingCompany.net, this is Art Dill, Trading to Win.